Hi, good morning, friends. Myself Shubham Datta from Nbcafe, North Bengal Cafe. So I come again with a brand new video. As I promised that in next video, that is in a Wordpress series, the third video will be how to create a blogging. So today I come with that. You can see, you can able to see how to create a fantastic blogging website by WordPress only. So here you can see we already create a fantastic dynamic page by a 10 minutes of time. Now you can able to see that how we can create a blog with using that page only, that website, that domain only. How we can create a blog. We want in this tutorial you can able to learn how to design a blog with a static home page. See, this is a static home page, but there is a menu with a only tab home, but we want another tab should be come here with a blog, with a written with a name like a blog, and when we click that blog, then all the post we did that should be shown over here, that should be shown on that page. So how we do that? Basically I have a request to you, friends. If you not watching my previous two video, then it is very difficult to make you understand, and it is a waste of time to tell from beginning again. So till yet how we reach that point of website or that much thing, you have to gather knowledge by my previous two videos only in WordPress. Please watch that and make a subscribe for getting new videos, new ideas, new technical videos, what you can do with very easily. I regularly give a new topic video. I used to give Adreno video, Android app making video, now WordPress. After that we entered in a SEO, search engine optimization also. So please subscribe my channel and make a like if that video is like you. And this video, I have a request, please watch until the end. Okay, every single moment will be happening for you. Okay, so we enter into dashboard. For me, I already logged in, so I can here coming by a clicker dashboard. In case of you, if you are not logged in before, then it asks user ID and password. You have to give a user ID and password. You can able to log in easily. No problem on that. So we have to make a post. Blog means post, so you have to make a post. For that, we go add a new post. Okay, so for making a thing happen, or making a page or blog with a navigation bar, next page, so we have to create some little bit 5 to 6 or 8 posts. So for that, I have an idea to make this project faster. I already created or already do my homework to make a post. At least 8 posts we need. So 8 title I selected. And for body of the letter, I take a PDF to copy and paste that write-up. So don't wasting the time, we start to create our first post. So copy it from here and create a title over there. Copy it from here for a body. Click on that and paste it over here and make a enter over there. Why this enter? We want to bring that in a center like that. Okay, and in that way we can do our first post. Sorry, delete that. So we can in that way we first publish our post. And here one thing we should remember, every post should have a future image, because that future image gives a good look. Okay now, so it should be a publish. See here, every post to make a good looking, we need to add a future image. For that I already downloaded some image also. Here we downloaded some image also, so we upload that and make it future for like that. So suppose we want to make a future image for that post only. So see here, this is coming. And for image you can download the free royalty free image from pixel.com. You know that. For that you have to go the pixel, you just write and enter. See, that is pixels free stock. So you can go over there. Those image are copyright free. Whatever genre you have, travel, maybe you need a travel photo, then you can download from here. Lots of images, and all are the copyright free images. You can use it in your website also. So I downloaded from here. So I make it. Now we press published, and this post is publishing now. Now first we want to look that post how it is look like. See, the structure is not right yet. We have to make it right. We need a single column and no sidebar we need it, and we need this comment and sector, because it should be interacting between you and your audience or customers. So for that we go to the customize first. We have to go single post again. We have to go single post. Now we have to select that. No sidebar we need it. Full with content. And for sidebar, we have to select that. See, now sidebar is gone. So we have to publish that. But now one problem we're facing, that is, so the heading or title of the post is overlapping with this logo of our website. So you can move it from here also. How? You just see. Header builder for post, site title and everything. Transparent header you have to disable on post. We not need a transparent header in post. In post we need like that. So that is why now it is moving. Okay, now see our first post. So everything is set. Now the task is we have to create 8 posts like that. So how we do? Go to the dashboard again. Now in a page or in a post, click right click, open in a new tab, right click, open in a new tab. So in that way we already created one. Now we need 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and we just copy paste our second heading here. Control C. Now third heading. Now we have to set feature image for every post. We select that now. Set feature image and make publish. So that post is published. Not done yet. So now done. Now we make that. We go here. So we created all the posts. Now we have to display those posts in a single page. And as you know, we create this website in a Elementor. So in Elementor, basically free Elementor, the blog plugin is not there. So we need to install another plugin to get a blog or post in Elementor. So first we install that. Go to the plugin and click add new and search it unlimited. See, unlimited Elementors or elements for Elementor. So we have to install that. Why I install it first? That maybe make you some confusion or give you some confusion that what are going on. Actually, I want to make simpler the process. That is why we install that plugin, and it is very necessary plugin also. So now go to the post widgets. We need that. This is the pro version. Post capsule. Install that because you need a free. Most of all are the pro. We need that one. See, earlier we made post. Now we make page. Not get confused. And give a name block. And go to Elementor. Edit with Elementor. Post. See, post blocks. So we need that. See, it is a. We need that. We have to click here. Add. See. The post block is coming. Whatever we did a post, and it's shown like that. Now, how many posts you want to see in a column, that also display over here. Number of items, 3 items, and text alignment, everything is there. Number of character you want to show, you can change the layout from here. Show image. See why we install that future image? Because of that effect, because of bringing that effect on your. So button is there, sequence, post. See there, maximum post, I remain 6. Okay, yeah. Now it shows 6. Post pagination, need that number. So now see, the number is coming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Now make it publish first. Have a look. See over there. Now if we click on 2, then the second page will be coming. So now we have to adjust our header. So for that, you only go to there and go to customize page transparent. You remove that from visible on page. Like that you can do. So make it published. So in that way we can create a fantasy. See, till now the home menu is there only shown, not block coming. So for that we create a menu. Not menu is already created, we have to add the element in a menu. So we have to add this block page in a menu. So in appearance, go to menu and add this block which we created newly added page. Add to the menu first and make it save. Then what will happen? Visit your website. Now we add this menu on that also. See here, a new menu tab will come in, block. Click on this block first. So it will show the blogs. Whatever you post, it coming to here directly. And at a time, 8 posts is displayed over there. You want so more than 8 posts you have. Don't worry, there is a pagination also. See, click on this 2 and it moves to the next page. So in that way, whatever post you created, it will come like that only, and very good looking it is. So what is the role of feature image and what is the role of that plugin? I think you may understand. So in that way, you can build your website very easily in WordPress. So if this video little bit helped you, so please subscribe us and make a like. In next video, I'll come with the SEO question of your blog and what can we do with the blog to make a visible in a search. So very important video that it will be. So subscribe us to get a notification when I upload that video.